Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
One of the best things that was ever discovered for children's health and really saving kids' lives was vaccines to prevent some of these diseases that used to actually cause a lot of deaths in children. But we are starting to see some of these diseases coming back. And so part of the reason is because while the overall vaccination rates are increasing, there are pockets of people who are not being vaccinated.
Why is it that these diseases pop up once in a while?
We have a lot of people from other countries who travel here. And while we have fairly high vaccination rates against some of these diseases, a lot of other countries don't.
Are vaccination rates decreasing or increasing?
In general, I would say there was a few years ago a larger increase in parents who were deciding not to vaccinate their children. There was a lot of fear about autism and vaccination. And luckily, we've had some really wonderful studies that show that there's no association between autism and childhood vaccines. In Massachusetts, we actually have lower rates of vaccine refusal because in this state we have vaccines that are required for school entry. And in order to say my child can't get those vaccines, you have to either have a medical reason why they can't have them or a religious exemption.
What message do you have for parents or adults to get these vaccinations?
I do have a lot of discussions with parents about vaccination because I feel strongly that this is one of the best things that's ever been designed for the health of children, and it really does save lives. I know a lot of parents are concerned that we're giving so many vaccines to young children, but the reason we do that is because that's when they're most at risk for these different diseases.